we're bringing some of the big up-and-coming musicians to you. The next Sarkodie and the next Samini and the next, that is all we do because they had the opportunity to showcase what they had and today they are big. And that's what we're doing on the Friday's edition of the Master Warning Show today. I'm Joy Wilson and guess what? I have Joy Verse in the studio. Hey, bonjour.
Bonjour madame.
Comment ça va?
Je vais bien.
Bienvenue à la studio Max TV.
Merci beaucoup.
That's all the French I can speak. But it's awesome to have you here. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Joy Verse.
Yeah.
Why that name?
Because I bring joy to the universe, and in my kingdom is full of joy. Because without me, there is no joy.
Okay, so you have an Ivorian connection.
Yeah.
Explain to me.
Okay, so I was born in Côte d'Ivoire with my siblings, but some of them are in Ghana, and some of them too are still in Côte d'Ivoire now.
Yeah. So are you Ghanaian? Yeah, you are Ghanaian.
Yeah, I'm Ghanaian.
Both parents.
Yes.
But you lived in the Ivory Coast.
Yeah.
What took your parents there?
Well, you know, that's life.
Life, eh? So are they still there or you are all back home?
Well, okay, let me say mom is not alive, dad is here.
Oh,
yeah.
sorry about that. All right. So Joy Verse, talk to me about you. Let's get to know you.
All right, so my real name is Ishmael Tete.
Okay.
Stage name.
Hey, Ishmael Tete.
Tete.
Ishmael Tete. Accra, Ngoje.
Okay, Labadi.
Labadi. Labadi. Labi, your boy says studio there. Hey. All right, let's go on.
Yeah, so my stage name is Joy Verse. Though I grew up in Côte d'Ivoire, but I stayed in Labadi for years now, and was currently signed onto Highly Spiritual last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how was it? How you are back? Tell us, which secondary school did you attend? Let's get to know that. I really want to know the background.
Okay, so as I came to Ghana,
Uh-huh.
I decided to. I started school from Teshi Lekma 12 JHS, and
Oh,
from
Lekma.
there,
Uh-huh.
from there to Accra Academy.
Okay.
But I didn't finish up because
Okay.
I was supposed to focus on my craft and then work on it. Yeah.
All right. So how has it been so far, your craft?
Amazing. I'm still working on it.
How were you discovered by Highly Spiritual?
Oh, okay. So, I move me move free Labadi, but I'm in Teshi to Labadi. Sorry.
Okay, so say what's Labadi?
Yeah.
Labadi na.
Okay, no. So say me one.
Only K1. Okay. Okay. In the area Ben na mo say.
Okay. Committee
11. Okay. Say why Tema?
Yeah, Tema boy. Yeah.
Okay.
So me move free Labadi to Teshi to Labadi, and then. And I'm saying, okay, let me start my journey over there and see how it will work for me. One of my big brothers, Seja Tuki, supported me with everything, but things wasn't like moving how I wanted. So I started from Labadi Beach to freestyle for people, not to take money, but to make them happy. And if they like the vibe,
and I will see me and I will see Labadi Beach.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Wow.
So the first person I met at Labadi Beach was Medical. He was the first person I met for my first freestyle to him, and he was like, yeah, to me, like he was like. Mr. Boss, I'm saying, wow. And me freestyle the man was, yeah, like, you are good. And
so were you rapping or singing for Medical?
I was singing to him.
You sang?
And he made me like sang like 7 times before he told me that, no, you are not underground artist. You just have to get the right people for.
No, you mean Medical? You met Medical, I beg your pardon, at Labadi Beach.
Yeah.
You
freestyle.
You sang for him, and he made you sing like 7 times.
Of course.
Then he's like, Charlie, you are not underground.
No,
you just need the right help.
Yeah.
Wow. Did Medical connect you to anybody?
All right. So one of my cousin, Kilson, he's with us, like on air and war Highly Spiritual. Yeah. So Onona, or recording me, like he produced me my beats and everything. And one day he told me that he would go and see Kewa. And I was like, oh, don't forget it now. People like we there, I don't think they will give us attention.
Hey!
So I was there, and then he said he got to Kewa office, and then he played the song to him, and just one song, not two songs. And then Kewa was like, no, I should come. That day, nah. So that day, I think I went to Kaswa, to visit my sister, and then she was like, you have a call, pick it. I picked it, and it was my bro. And it was like, Kewa said, oh, come around today, don't waste time. And then that was then when I went, I didn't return again.
Let's go. And when you went to Kewa, you've never looked back again. No. It's been forward.
Successful.
Let's go back a bit, because when young people are on the show, yana me ba me pese wa brabo eni nya wo ye e shafu from crying. What said them? I didn't try ma. One day na waka said Debbie. I did me the bear me home. Na me a messy labadi beach now. Until we said, who said them one bumpire I train say, man, I'll be better. Come say, I won't see how. Do you agree with me?
Yeah, of course. Because I believe in prayers, but sometimes you have to find a way to make it up. You don't have to be dependent on people. Say, I say me see I'm born to own yet. Life is showing some. And guess what? We will be a you don't know anything about yourself spiritually, but Yankopon every cry conform looking up to you, and you have to help them. You are a helper, like you are someone helper.
Yeah.
So you have to try your best and make it in life so that you can help those people. Because one yes I did not say ude unsa shell pocket say be some conform no feel you and God will ask you.
So how has the experience been? Charlie, we're for tonight with them.
Thank you.
How has the experience been with Highly Spiritual?
Yes, so far we are doing great, and we are making things taking place, and waves.
Waves in Ghana, West Africa.
Everywhere.
Have you traveled? Have you gone outside?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. But we are on process. Yeah.
You are processing. Yeah. So with Highly Spiritual, tell us about your experience, because we want to know, because people have said things about Kewa. He's not supportive, he's this, he's that. So when someone comes from his camp, we want to ask and get to know, So how is Kewa like in one word? If you want to describe Kewa in one word.
Let me say, aside of God and my parent, Kewa, I don't know, like he means everything to me.
Wow.
Yeah, because me metina and Kasebia was signing meeting and major man. He's a father that doesn't care about what people say. Ebia nkofaka chance and the bawe nye unisubai. Na wajina no so dia yeden. Aka say oh onisubai intime pam. He don't do that. Like he loves everyone around him, no matter how bad you are. And I've been hearing stories as I came, and I was like, okay, yeah, sure, yeah. But end of the day, to me, if you can stay with someone, it's your humbleness. Yeah, it's your humbleness. Yeah, humbleness. And how we moving on in life. Yeah, so I think he's still teaching me a lot of things to know, and I'm learning from him.
What's the future? Like, I know you are under a label, Highly Spiritual. They have your vision, your mission, and everything planned out for you. But your personal vision also matters. For you, what's the vision?
All right. Though I'm doing music, aside of music, it has been my dream to help people. And also, I'm an artist. I would like to promote my art.
You draw art?
I draw.
What sort of art? Because there's abstract, art. There's pencil. Okay, pencil so you do pencil. And to me, ukuta paper ni and drum come on.
Of course.
And I don't want to pen here, because you want Ghanaians to get to know you. Yeah, so you should have exhibited all.
Okay, let me say the request that came was yesterday, so I can't just.
You were not prepared, but you have to come back. And into me now me show now drum me. It's very, that I already Sure. So Ghanaians need to, because Ghanaians appreciate a person who is multifaceted. So you're a musician, you do this, you do that. Okay, so you want to pursue that side of you as well, apart from the music?
Of course, because it's part of my family. One of my big brother is, I think he's an ambassador for that stage, Atukwe Clothing, Afro Gallonism boss.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and he's the one who advised me to rather do the music because I'm multi-talented. I play football, I dance.
You're a footballer too?
Yeah. So, right now,
and a dancer?
Yes, but and I'm saying, me and I'm so bobo. I have to leave that side for them.
Okay.
And manage the dance and then the arts and the music.
There's a part of you, our time is up, but let me put this question to you. There's a part of you that has a connection with Ivory Coast. Yeah. How are you working to capture that market as well? Because you speak French very well. You need to find a way to capture the Ivorian market as well.
Okay, so let me say, music is a business, and I'm adding that to it. Okay. And also, not only French, I speak 17 languages. You
speak 17 languages? So which languages do you speak?
Bruma, Frafra, Kusasi.
The Frafra, like is it local, your mother tongue?
No. Okay, my mom is half Ashanti and not.
Okay. Yeah. So you speak Frafra, you speak Goma.
Yeah.
You speak which language?
And then Hausa. Dagati. And Mamprusi is Kusasi.
Kusasi,
and then Moshi. Yana. And then Busanga. They have two types of Busangas, B2 and Lere. And then a lot.
You speak Ashanti, you speak English, you speak French. So you know what? I'm putting a very big task to you before you leave the studio. Yeah. You need to compose a song in each of these languages. So send a better Ghana phone in I mean, you are awesome, and it's been awesome having you here in the studio. But let me sound my warning. When you become big, I'll pick up the phone and call you.
Of course, you can.
And then if you tell me, Mama Joy, I am too busy to come to Mass TV. Hey. Thank you for coming, okay? But you have to sing a little for me before you go.
All right. You cannot let go, order. You don't hold my heart, my soul. Where do you find it from? Order. You know I don't forget over you. Fine boy, they overload. Where do you find it from? Order. Fine girl, don't be shy, oh. You be too much, oh, best side, so I go give you my life, oh, no lie, oh. You be better, woman.
I have a feel of your voice. Let's follow you on social media. Tell us about any new projects coming and all of that.
Okay, so social media, my social media handle is I am Joyverse.
Joyverse.
Yeah, and
I'll follow you immediately.
You can find my music on all digital platforms like Boomplay, Audiomack, and Spotify.
Okay.
I am Joyverse.
Joyverse everywhere.
Yeah.
Joyverse everywhere. Me de ma ho odin ni bibia me pa nyina etai Joyverse achi. Name de ushia na no aye ni ye. I been see your food you pa na piano me be piano pa me pe me ko follow no baby a. Ebusiafo ye ni Joyverse we yen try home bra. We have some of